What you'll need is mezcal, Cointreau, freshly squeezed lime juice, simple syrup, you can make it easily at home or you can buy it in the store, some crushed ice, and of course some tagine to decorate the glass. First we're gonna decorate the glass. Here I put some tagine on a plate. Take a slice of a lime and then just put some lime juice on the rim of your glass. Then take your glass and put some tagine on it. There you go. Should look something like this when you're done. Take a shaker and put 4 centiliters of mezcal in there, 3 centiliters of lime juice, 2 centiliters of Cointreau, and 2 centiliters of simple syrup, followed by a good scoop of crushed ice. Put a lid on it and give it a good shake. Shake until you see ice starting to form on the shaker. There you go. As you can see, it's starting to get colder. That means it's done. Take your previously decorated glass and just pour it in there. And there you go. Your mezcal margarita is done. That's about it.